It's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make burger patty. So guys, let's get started. The recipes are 225 grams of minced beef, half a teaspoon of parsley powder, half a teaspoon of celery powder, half bouillon cube, half a teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, onions, and lastly garlic and ginger paste. The link to the video will be in the description box below. Please check it out. Pour in onions, spices, a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. I will not use salt because this is salted already. For this next stage, you either use gloves or your hands washed. At this point, you portion into bits and flatten. Try as much as possible to make them equal. I will pop into the refrigerator for 60 minutes. It's 60 minutes. I'm going to fry them on low heat. You do not need to use butter or oil for this. this is the result. Burger patty is ready. Enjoy with your favorite hamburger bread or burger buns. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.